back to another Cara Co tutorial. Today we're going to walk you through how to make your own adorable balloon rattle teething toy. You can find all the supplies and the written instructions you need on our website. First, let's go through the supplies. First, you will need 28 15mm round silicone beads in the color of your choice, one 19mm double hole bead, one 18mm beech wood hexagon bead, one 1.70 beech wood ring, one 2.35 beech wood ring, and one 60-inch regular cord of your choice, a lighter, scissors, and a crafting needle. First, cut your cord length in half. You should have two equal lengths of cord that are 30 inches long. Gather those two cords together. Find the center mark of both cords and loop them onto the bigger of the two wood rings. Pull lightly to secure the loop in place. Next, line up the four ends of the cords and trim them so they're all even. Using your lighter, carefully fuse all four ends together. This will act as a needle to help thread your wooden hexagon bead on. Thread your wood hexagon bead on all four strands and slide it all the way up the cords. Next, thread your smaller ring on and over the hexagon bead. Separate the four ends that you have previously fused together. Choose one of the cords coming out of the hexagon bead and thread on 7 of your 15mm beads onto the cord, followed by the double hole bead. Next, place 2 more 15mm beads. You should now have 10 total beads on this cord. Set this strand aside. Take another one of the cords coming out of the hexagon bead and slide 5 15mm beads onto it. Tie a tight double knot and lightly run your lighter over the knot to help fuse it together. Thread your needle onto one of those cords coming from the knot. Push it through one of the 15mm beads beside the knot. You may need a pair of pliers to help pull the needle through. Pull the cord until your knot is hidden in the center of that bead. Trim the ends close to the bead and run your lighter over them to prevent fraying. You should now have 2 cords remaining. Position them on either side of the beaded section you just created. Thread 7 15mm beads on one side of those empty cords. Thread your needle through and push it through the remaining holes on the 19mm double hole bead. Next, put 2 more 15mm beads onto that cord and set aside. Using your last cord, thread your 5 remaining 15mm beads on. Tie a tight double knot and lightly run your lighter over it to fuse the knot together. Thread your needle again and push it through one of the beads beside the knot. Pulling the knot all the way into the center of the bead. Trim the 2 cords and run your lighter over the ends to prevent fraying. And there you have it, a finished balloon rattle. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and we can't wait to see what you make. Make sure you check out more videos and tutorials on our YouTube channel. Happy crafting!